Hi, my name is Raymond Wang Ruifeng in Chinese. I'm from the global technical team of Cargill Bioindustrial Group, and I'm based in China. I hope you and your family are all in good health during this critical time. Here I'm going to speak to you about the manufacturing process of FR3 transformers. And this is a frequently asked question. You may think FR3 is made from vegetable oil and probably would not work well with mineral oil, thus requiring separate oil system and a lot of extra care. This is actually not true. FR3 is fully miscible with mineral oil at any proportion between the two. And the same oil treatment equipment can be used to produce mineral oil and FR3 transformers. This has been proven by over 200 OEMs in over 23 years. FR3 as a third generation of very resistant technology of insulating liquid to maintain its advantage like a high fire point. We recommend OEMs to take only a few steps to minimize the contamination between FR3 and mineral oil. When same equipment is used, a simple flushing step will be sufficient to minimize the contamination when shifting between FR3 and mineral oil during the manufacturing process. And this is just a very little complexity when you compare with a shifting between mineral oil and silicon oil, and the little one doesn't miscible with any other oils. Given the thousands of parts used in any individual transformer, as well as the extreme sensitivity to cleanness and other manufacturing details that manufacturers do every day, the minimum precautions needed to avoid mixing liquids should not be a barrier for well-qualified transformer manufacturers. In fact, many larger transformer manufacturers have gone beyond the minimum precautions, implementing parallel storage and filling system, which makes the production line very flexible. The exposure of FR3 fluid to air during normal production and handling procedure following the same parameters used for traditional mineral oil transformers is not a problem. Moisture absorption rather than oxidation is the main reason to limit the contact with ambient air. Although manufacturing transformers